Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the quick and easy setup to activate your TV code on the FanDuel Sports Network. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get started and enjoy all the amazing features FanDuel has to offer. Step 1. Open the FanDuel Sports Network app. Start by downloading the FanDuel Sports Network app on your TV or streaming device. You can find it in your device's app store. Once installed, open the app. Step 2. Sign in or create an account. If you already have a FanDuel account, sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Follow the on-screen prompts to register and provide the necessary information. Step 3. Locate the activation code. After signing in, navigate to the Settings or Account section of the app. Here you will find the option to activate your TV code. Click on it to generate a unique activation code. Step 4. Visit the activation website. Using a web browser on your computer or smartphone, go to the FanDuel activation site. The URL is usually displayed within the app after you generate the code. Step 5. Enter the activation code. On the activation website, you will see a prompt to enter the activation code you generated earlier. Input the code carefully and press the Submit button. Step 6. Confirm activation. Once you submit the code, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your device has been successfully activated. Go back to the FanDuel Sports Network app on your TV and start enjoying the content. Step 7. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, double-check the code you entered. Make sure your internet connection is stable and the app is updated to the latest version. If problems persist, consider reaching out to FanDuel customer support for assistance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up button if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and enjoy your time on the FanDuel Sports Network.